It's a boat day. We're taking this boat out. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. What's up? Beautiful. This has been the tequila we've been drinking here. Love that bad boy.
Yeah.
Pop it.
Perfecto.
You want to do the club soda?
A little bit of bubbly over here. I think we're good. And another one here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hold you.
It'll do.
Alyssa! Woohoo! When you hear me go now, falter. Oh!
And you can only catch them in 2 fingers. That's a starfish.
Tell Kylie that. Make sure you tell Kylie. Mira, B.
You see them?
Ori.
Wow. Okay.
Touch it. Okay, we're dropping in.